Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles should they occur. I've got something I'm really excited about. One of those is I've got one of those ring selfie light things, and it looks like it's taking a turn for the worse. I guess I got to get a new one. They're cheap. You can get them on eBay or Amazon for like $12. But anyways, recently I did a whole bunch of unboxings. Go lay down, Peppa! From Mamee and Shinsegai and Mamee Double Decker and Shinsegai food from Malaysia. And this is one of them. I'm like super stoked. This is Mamee Chef with their Perisa Laksa Kari. This is curry laksa flavor from Malaysia. I've had it a long time ago. Don't start barking, dog. My wife just went to work and Pepper's a little sad about it. Poor Pepper. Poor Pepper. She'll be fine. Anyways, yeah. I am... No, come here. You're not a hound dog. Come on, grab a chew toy and curl up and sit next to me. The cooking's about to begin. Yeah, and then there we go. And into the boil it goes for 3 minutes. How you doing, Pepper? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm being joined by Pepper, the most wonderful dog in the world. Huh? Are you the most wonderful dog in the world? Yeah? Yeah, I'll take you out in a bit. Mouthy. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go get your bully stick. Go lay down. No, I'm going to roll over you. Go lay down. Yeah, it's been I guess it's been a week so far. It's Tuesday. But not a bad week, that's for sure. Oh yeah, it snowed this morning. Very little, like really as little as it could be. But it did snow, and that's kind of a trip. Not expected. Pepper, lay down! Lay down! She's trouble, folks. She likes to jump up on stuff, pull it down, and shred it. Go lay down. I don't trust her. Pepper. Yeah. Why is the sun coming out? I was all excited. I did a bunch of walking, got home, hung out with my wife, and then thought, great, it's going to be cloudy so I can get good pictures. It won't be all glare from the sun. We'll see. You got your bully stick. Good girl. Go lay down. Still don't trust her. But she's a good dog. Huh. Not. Go lay down. No. Go lay down. Good girl. Hopefully she doesn't go and sit up on the couch. That's generally like the big no. She can hang out on the couch, but she's got to hang out with us. So. Go lay down. But yeah, when did I have this last? I want to say it's been like about 8 years since I've reviewed this one. And now it's got new packaging and everything. I'm going to be doing their lontong as well. And I remember I really liked that one too. So I am excited about these reviews. They sent a huge amount of varieties from Malaysia, and they also sent the cups. They've got evil hot yellow moon making it hard for me to take nice pictures. I don't like that. Oh well. That's okay. I got curry. I didn't push a button. Okay. So here is our noodle. The noodle, the sachet of garnish which went in there, it's got tofu puff in it, which is like a really neat thing. If you don't know what tofu puff is, imagine tofu that was deep fried and just like puffed up. It's got like air bubbles in it. Here's what it looks like. My wife actually went out. Little fried tofu puff. Man, I gotta get one of those new light, because that's like, it looks pretty dim in here without that thing working full blast. So this is a curry and a, coconut milk powder. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Curry powder, coconut milk powder. Here, come and look. Come on. No, I won't bite you. Here, look. See? Coconut milk powder, curry. That's one thing I always like. When companies use coconut milk powder instead of non-dairy creamer, I'm pretty sure it's coconut milk powder. Regardless, this stuff is wonderful. Unless they changed it and it's horrible now, but I don't think that's the case. They don't. Most of their stuff is really quite good. And then here is the paste. Now it's gonna all get darker and oilier and more wonderful. I wanted to do this yesterday, but the kids were off. Oh man. But now it's just me and the dog in the house, and there's curry. So here we are. Kari Laksa from Malaysia. Poor Pepper, she's sad. Here we go, folks. Oh my God. Don't lay down, you're fine. Oh, you smell it. I see you're like... She's like waving her head around going, The broth. Yes. Where's one of those little tofu puffs? I think there's tofu puff in here. Little pepper rings. No, don't lay down. Well. Man. The dog is barking, but I am happy. Come on, where are you? Well, I guess I'll have to do a deep dive after I've taken the pretty pictures. AKA, I think there's no way this is gonna go not eaten. But I've got a different bowl to use. Which I'm hoping fits. I'm actually using a different monopod today, too. So this is part of a set of bowls that go in a tower. There's these little things on each side. And it's like a Thai lunchbox kind of thing. It's pretty cool. Got it for Christmas. Thank you very much to nice people who got me this for Christmas. Here we go. First time using this for a review. Come on. I wish it was a little less, a little more shallow, I think is the right term. Wow, there's a whole lot of bits and things in here. Okay, let's distribute the wealth of curry. Alright, and we're gonna put in our tofu puff first. My personally provided tofu puff. And with this stuff, tofu puff doesn't have a lot of flavor on its own, but it soaks up flavor very nicely, so I like to, like so. And then we've got, sadly, I could not get any long bean. So I've got to kind of go with the look of long bean with green bean. There's actually a funny story about these green beans. I only needed like a handful of them because there's two that will definitely, I want to use green bean or a long bean with. So I went to the local store and I'm like, well, I know they're not going to have them here, but maybe they got green beans. And I got like the thinnest ones I could. And I got literally 5 green beans, which the lady was like laughing. I'm like, what's wrong? She's like, well, you got so few of them, it can't get the weight. So congratulations, you just got 5 free green beans. And I told her exactly why I only needed that many, because I was doing a special food review. I think it was funny. What else do I have here? I've got some mung bean sprout. Now, you might go, hey, wait, those aren't marinated eggs. And I'm going to say, yes, they are not. You don't really see the marinated ones so much, I don't think, in Malaysian cuisine. But you might have to tomorrow because I made a lot of eggs. So there's that. Gosh. I wish I had some mint, because that would really set the whole deal off. And I'm seeing in the mix here some pepper rings, which would be cool. And the only other thing I've really got is, I do have crushed red pepper, but I do have coriander, and I think I'll use just a little bit of that, which is right here. A little coriander will do nicely. Oh, wait. We're not even totally, There's one thing I've forgotten in the mix. Oh, gosh. I'm guessing that's like the only spot I can put it, and so you can still see Noodle. How about you go right there? How about you go right there? Yeah, I'm sorry, I wish I had mint. I might have to go get some mint tonight for that lontong. I think that would be the right thing to do for the lontong. And some crushed red pepper, I think, would go well on the there. Do I want to do sesame seed? A pinch. The tiniest pinch. Alright, now we get to try out and see what happens with this. Oh, I could use high beat. No. I don't think we're going to be able to see anything in this bowl if I go much further. Okay. Hey, Pepper. Maybe this is the wrong tripod to... Yeah. Oh, no. That is not going to work. I'm going to have to go back to my old one, I think. Because, see, it just wants to fall forward. And that is not a good thing. Let's try to get you more in the center. There. Here we go. Malaysian curry, ladies and gentlemen, one of the finest delicacies in the known universe. Well, thank you very much for watching. The next one you're going to see from me is this. This is Cup Noodles Big. And it is definitely a larger. This one takes 400 milliliters of water. And this obviously hails from Japan. This is a gyoza, a pot sticker, a dumpling flavored instant noodle cup. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been Hans wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.